Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started. Our number one choice is Welder 135 amp welder, the Welder 135 amp MIG. Welder is an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts and light to moderate welding projects. With its versatile 3-in-1 design, it accommodates flux core MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding, making it a compact yet capable machine for various applications. The 3-in-1 capability allows for MIG, TIG, and stick welding, providing flexibility for different types of projects, suitable for working with a range of materials, including mild steel and stainless steel. Weighing only 13 pounds, the Flux 135 PRO is lightweight and easy to transport, perfect for small workshops or mobile welding jobs. The 135A output provides sufficient power for most home or light-duty welding tasks. The IGBT inverter technology enhances performance, improving efficiency and weld quality. Offers excellent value for the features provided, making it accessible for hobbyists and beginners. Built-in overload protection ensures safe operation and prevents damage during extended use. The Welder 135 amp MIG welder FLUX 135 PRO is a fantastic entry-level welding machine for hobbyists, DIYers, and light-duty welders. Its portability, ease of use, and versatile functionality make it a great tool for small projects around the home or workshop. While it has limitations for industrial or prolonged heavy-duty tasks, its performance and affordability make it an excellent value for its intended audience. For those needing a compact and capable welding solution, the Flux 135 PRO is a solid choice. Automatic compensation for voltage fluctuation, overcurrent protection, overload protection. Our second best home welder for beginners is Built Hard 110 volt MIG welder. If you're looking to start welding and need a complete ready-to-go setup, this kit is a great place to begin. The kit includes everything you need to get started: a welding helmet, gloves, gun, and wire. This saves time and money compared to buying these items separately. The 3-in-1 functionality allows for MIG, TIG, and stick welding, making it suitable for different materials and applications. The digital display and simple controls ensure user-friendly operation, even for those new to welding. The machine operates on 110 volt power, making it compatible with standard household outlets. Its portable design is ideal for small workshops or on-the-go projects. The inclusion of IGBT inverter technology enhances energy efficiency, providing smoother and more stable welds. The value-packed bundle is cost-effective, especially for beginners looking to dive into welding without making additional purchases. The auto-darkening helmet provides adequate eye protection. The machine also includes built-in overload and overheating protection for safe operation. The Built Hard 110 volt MIG welder 135 amp offers an excellent entry-level solution for hobbyists and beginners. Its all-inclusive kit, versatility, and affordability make it an attractive option for light-duty welding projects. While it might not meet the needs of professionals or heavy-duty applications, its performance and convenience are impressive for its price. It comes as a complete set with essential accessories like an auto. Third pick in our list is Arc Captain 130A MIG welder. If you're seeking a reliable and convenient gasless welder, this machine delivers solid performance without breaking the bank. The Arc Captain 130, a MIG welder, is an excellent choice for anyone starting with welding or looking for a versatile and portable machine for light-duty projects. Its synergic control system simplifies the learning curve, while the 3-in-1 functionality adds flexibility. Though it may not meet the demands of heavy-duty or professional applications, its affordability and ease of use make it a standout option for DIY enthusiasts and occasional welders. Comes with a welding gun and a spool of flux core wire, allowing you to start welding right out of the box. well constructed with quality materials to withstand regular use in various environments. As a flux core welder, it eliminates the need for shielding gas, reducing setup time and costs while making it more convenient for outdoor use. Compact and easy to transport, perfect for small workshops or outdoor jobs, enhances energy efficiency and ensures smooth, stable arcs, producing high-quality welds with minimal spatter. The machine automatically adjusts voltage and wire feed speed, simplifying the welding process for beginners while allowing manual tuning for more advanced users. Supports flux core MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding, making it suitable for various materials and projects. Its 3-in-1 functionality, flux, core MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding. Number 4 on our side is B-Stark 145A MIG welder. If you're looking for a reliable, flexible welder that's easy to use and packed with features, the B-Stark 145A MIG welder is a strong contender. The B-Stark 145. A MIG welder is a versatile welding machine that combines flux core MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding capabilities into one compact and robust unit. Its dual voltage compatibility, 110 volts / 220 volts, and synergic control make it an excellent choice for both hobbyists and professionals seeking flexibility and ease of use. With features like a digital screen display and support for both gas and gasless welding, this welder is designed to handle a variety of projects efficiently, provides flexibility to work in different environments, whether at home or in a professional setting, automatically adjusts voltage and wire feed speed based on selected settings, making it beginner-friendly while still offering manual controls for advanced users. Supports flux core MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding, offering versatility for a range of materials and tasks. The clear and intuitive digital interface ensures precise settings adjustments and real-time monitoring. Designed for portability, making it easy to transport between job sites. Includes essential accessories to get started, offering excellent value for the price. Number 5. In our top 5 best home welder for beginners list is S7 gas and gasless 200A 110V 220V multi-process MIG welder. If you're looking for an adaptable and reliable welding machine for various projects, the S7 200A multi-process welder is a solid choice. Offers MIG, flux core, lift TIG, and stick ARC welding, providing the versatility to handle different materials and project requirements. Delivers ample power for welding thicker metals while maintaining control for precise work on thinner materials. The intuitive digital interface allows for easy adjustments, ensuring precise voltage and wire feed control for optimal results. Competitive pricing for a machine offering 4 welding processes and high amperage output. Compact build makes it easy to transport, perfect for users who need mobility. Works seamlessly with flux core wire for outdoor projects and shielding gas for cleaner indoor welds. Can be used in various environments, from home workshops to industrial.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.